Can you deliver an online course on social media, like on a Facebook group? My advice is I wouldn't. Now, the reason why is a numberfold. There are an expectation set from users that if they're buying an online course or coaching program, that it's going to be delivered in a somewhat professional capacity. Now, I'm certainly not saying that your community can't be on a social media platform. If your users are using social media frequently, it may be that your community element, where people chat and discuss and update each other daily, is on a social media platform. That might really work for you. But the actual content, the actual training that you're providing, the information and guidance that you're providing should definitely not be hosted on social media. So another reason why, aside from just the professionalism of it, is that if your account gets shut down, which, let's face it, is happening at an exponential rate at the moment, Facebook are closing accounts for absolutely no reason whatsoever. You don't want to be in a situation where, for some random reason, your account's shut down and your whole entire online course and all your students are sitting around on social media waiting for you and your account's gone. It has a real high risk factor. So professionalism, no. Because of your risk factor, no. Thirdly, it's because it's also really hard for you to manage and control your IP, protect your IP if it's on a social media platform. People can download it using simple downloading tools. They can share it, they can log in with different accounts. It can be distributed everywhere and you really have little control over that intellectual property. So my advice is make sure you have a proper learning management system for delivering your online courses and your coaching programs. You will have that professionalism, you will have control of your IP and content, you will have a lower risk business model, and it's just a much better approach all round. So if you want some help getting your online school set up, come and get in touch. I can set up all of your course tech for you so you don't have to, or walk you through the process in my Concept to Course 30-day course creation group coaching program. I'll help you get it done. I'll see you there.